You know, there's something about this whole thing I don't quite understand, Mr. Matry. If PG&E messed with our water, why would they bother saying anything about it to us at all? Why not just keep quiet about it?
To establish a statute of limitations. In a case like this, you only have 1 year from the time you first learn about the problem to file suit. So PG&E figures, well, we'll let the cat out of the bag, tell the people the water's not perfect. And if we can ride out the year with no one suing, we'll be in the clear forever.
But it was more than a year ago that they told us.
It's okay, we're not suing.
Not yet.
All we're doing is using this information to get you a real nice purchase price on your house, and you two, a comparable retroactive bonus on your sale price. That way PG&E can still look good to their shareholders, because they're not involved in an ugly lawsuit. All they're doing is buying a little property.
Doesn't say here how much this whole thing's gonna cost us.
My fee's 40% of whatever you get awarded.
Boy, do I know how you feel. The first time I heard that number, I said, you've got to be kidding me. 40 goddamn %?
Erin.
I'm the one that's injured, and this joker sits at a desk all day, and he wants to walk away with almost half my reward.
Erin, can I...
But then I asked him what he makes if I don't get anything.
Then I don't get anything either.
Plus, he's out all the costs. So I realized he's taking a chance, too.
You got a pen, honey?
Well, all right.
Oh, I made a bundt cake. Let me put on some coffee. Who would like coffee and cake?
I do.
Thanks, but we have to be getting back.
Have a fucking cup of coffee.
Coffee will be great, thank you.